Hi guys, it's Ron. It's 7 o'clock on the 22nd of December 2023. Um, I'm up since 1 o'clock today, and for some reason I feel really good today. Like, I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened. Anyways, not important. Um, Yesterday, about 3 o'clock in the morning, I received an email from Ron. He works for Magix, the makers of Vegas Pro. Wishing me a Merry Christmas and wishing me all the best in the new year. And hopefully I can get back into making videos, which I love. And someone said, don't shut the channel down. I'm not gonna close the channel no matter what happens. Even if I die, the channel will remain up. I'm on a water restriction diet now. I'm not sure if I said this alright, but I'm allowed to only drink 1.5 liters of fluids a day. That's coffee, juice, milk, gravy, ice cream. That's all considered fluids. Because I'm having water around the heart and lungs. So anyways, but I'm feeling pretty good. Um, I have an idea for a new video. It's probably not what you want to see, but I think I'll be getting back into it again in January. I mean, maybe some product reviews on products I got for my birthday and Christmas. My birthday and Christmas are really close together. Uh, so we'll see what happens there. I was gifted that laptop behind me right here by a friend, a real good friend of mine, and it's my gaming machine. And I got DCS and Ace Combat, Ace Combat 7 or whatever. That's a very good game. I tried War Thunder and didn't really like it. So once again, look for new videos in the new year. And I just wanted to wish you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care. God bless. Bye.